I got umi sushi. I'm so excited. Crunchy salmon, creamy salmon, kara futomaki. I love sushi so much, you guys. If I could eat umi sushi every single day, I would do it. You don't even need sauce, honestly. And you guys know I'm a sauce person. The rice is perfectly soft. The rice vinegar, whatever combination they do in the rice, or I can't even speak. I'm flabbergasted. So good. Little unogs. Look at this one. I love salmon so much. If you see 5 videos of me eating uni sushi, mind your business. Cucumber salmon. I love the crunch. Has a nice flavor of the salmon. Crunch of the cucumber. If you made it this far, where are my sushi lovers? Every time I see a sushi video on my For You page, I stop and like or comment. Oh my gosh. Here's your twisted salmon, one of my favorites. The perfect balance of seared and cooked. Has a nice crunch inside. Has a nice flavor, has a nice taste. Putting in the soy sauce. Dip. This one is their salmon maki sauce. They have the best quality salmon. Gosh. It has tempura cream cheese. It melts in your mouth. I know some people don't like cream cheese on their roll. Best quality salmon here in Manila. Oh my god. The freshness. Melt in your mouth.